In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can reset the AutoCAD CUI back to its factory settings. In previous videos, I created some custom panels, some custom tabs, I modified the quick access toolbar, created some workspaces, I also modified some right-click shortcut menus, and I would actually like to remove all of that and reset AutoCAD back to its original settings. So in order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and type in CUI and press enter to bring up the CUI dialog box. And all we have to do is right click on the AutoCAD here and choose reset. It'll ask you if you're sure. I'll go ahead and click continue, then click OK. This might take a few seconds to work. And it should reload the original menu. Now occasionally I'll have an error like you see here where it says the ribbon does not have any tabs or panels. And there's a couple different ways you can try to fix this. One of them is changing your workspace. So I'll switch to 3D Basics, and as you can see it pops back up. I'll switch back to drafting and annotation. And fortunately it all comes back. The other thing you can do if that doesn't work is to simply type in menu load. And in the dialog box that pops up, we can choose to browse for the AutoCAD CUI. But again, since mine worked okay, I'll just go ahead and cancel back out of that. So if I come down and look at my workspaces, you can see that I no longer have the custom one. You can see I no longer have zoom all in my shortcut, and you can see my tab is gone. That concludes this look at resetting the CUI in AutoCAD.